In our today's tutorial, I want to show you how to project your raster in Arcgis. So to do that, I will first of all add up my data to the Arcgis interface. Okay, so I'm trying to navigate to where I have my raster layer. Okay, so I will add up my layer to the Arcgis interface. Okay, so here is my raster layer. Okay, so after doing that, I will come over to Arc toolbox. Okay, click on data management tools, then scroll down to projection and transformation, then right click on this plus icon raster and click on project raster. Okay, so this interface will pop up. Impute raster. I will click on the drop down icon. Okay, I will choose my raster layer. Okay, after doing that, I will navigate to where I want to save my projected layer. Okay, I will give it a name. After doing that, I will click on save. Then output coordinate system, I will right click on it. Then I will come to projected coordinate system, then scroll down to WGS 1984. We click on this plus icon, then click on Northern Hemisphere, scroll down to my zone, click on zone 32 and click on OK. Okay, then click on OK again. Okay, you can see that the process is running. Okay, and it is complete. Okay, so guys, that is how to project your raster in Arcgis. Thank you for watching this video. Please do well to hit on the subscribe button